Yeah, hi, it's Martin here from the blog newbieaffiliatemarketer.com, and in today's video we are talking about how to reach your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And as you can see, if you're on my channel, I have just reached it. Woohoo! Let's go and show you exactly how I did it. So if it's your first time on the channel, we basically make videos every week about blogging, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and of course, ways to make money online. If any of those subjects interest you, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel right now and hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified every time I make a new video. Okay, so let's dive straight in and show you exactly how I got to my 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so let's show you exactly how I got to my 1,000 subscribers. As you can see here, I'm 1.01 thousand subscribers. I think I'm 1,012 to be exact at the moment. Let's just walk you through it bit by bit. There's 7 different parts to it, so make sure you stay tuned right to the very last one because that's very important. It's a site that I use that's basically made this a lot easier to bring everything, all the other parts of it together and make it easy to reach that 1,000 subscribers. Because remember, I'm in quite a competitive market here. I'm in the make money online niche, so that is very competitive. So to try and get views on your videos can be difficult if you don't follow these steps. Okay, so the first one, obviously the first one being stick to your niche, whatever your niche is. So whether it's dog training or whether it is making money online or it's diet, weight loss, whatever, make sure that all your videos are related to that very broad niche. Okay, so don't make a video about weight loss and then another one about dog training and another one about your family. It's going to be a bit higgledy-piggledy then. So I would basically stick to one broad niche. Okay, so the second one is I would produce videos regularly. So try and do at least 2 a week, which is what I've been doing. My time is very limited and I've managed to do the 2 a week. So if you've got a bit more time, then obviously you can do more videos. The more videos you do, and then as long as you follow these steps in doing them, then you should, in theory, get more followers and more subscribers quicker. Although you are going to be only talking about one niche, what I would do is do broad videos first. So you've got mainly broader videos to begin with. So that will then get your foothold in your niche, and so that you'll be able to be seen. So for my argument's sake, for my videos, I've made a lot of review videos of products about how to make money online. So that is my broader videos that I've got on here. Okay, and they've actually got me more views. So as you can see here, there's one here, 1,500 views. We've got 600 views there, which we've only done a couple of weeks ago. There's that one's got 10,000 views, 3,500 views. So as you can see, the broader videos are giving me more views, 4,500 views. You get the idea. So start with some broader videos, and then obviously every now and again do a more niche down video, which will then get you views, but you probably won't get as many views. You know, you're going to find it harder to rank for those particular keywords. So as you can see here, I've got different ones here, 166. Getting traffic for affiliate marketing, that's only got me 91 views. But again, these are all adding up, guys. Starting your own business online, only 52 views. Amazon commissions, 39. So as you see, you get the idea. Okay, so number 3 on the list. Make sure that you obviously make use of your YouTube header and obviously your links here that you can place in your header. So make sure you use them really well. So this also will be good for your branding, and also it will make it look like it's a proper YouTube channel. So when visitors come to it, then they'll want to subscribe and they'll know exactly about it. My sub niche is all about making money with affiliate marketing. So they see straight away there that that's what it's about. It's got my website link, and I've also got a link to my 7-day fast track bootcamp, which I've got there. that's been utilized really well. So make sure that you utilize that. Also, your profile picture, make sure you've got a good head and shoulders picture of yourself, or a logo of your brand or something like that if you want to go for your brand. But I would possibly go with a picture of yourself if possible. So again, this will build trust with your viewer and they're more likely to subscribe. Okay, so the fourth one is, so at least twice in every one of your videos, probably at the beginning or at the end, make sure that you end up asking people to actually subscribe and obviously like it and share the video if need be. So by actually asking people to like it and subscribe, they're more likely to do so. So again, if you haven't already subscribed, then now's the time to hit that subscription button and obviously hit the notification bell as well, because then you'll get notified every time I make a new video. Now, the fifth thing is to basically create a good thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail is what actually people will see first to basically click on to view the video. You've just got a few seconds to get across that this is the video that you should be watching. You've searched a particular keyword or something on YouTube, your videos come up in the suggestions, you've then got a couple of seconds for them to look at it and obviously click through and watch your video. So as you can see here, mine stand out quite well. And again, you can create your YouTube thumbnails very easily. There's a couple of places that I would recommend that you can go and do this. One is Canva. Go into Canva, it's free to join. You can then go and create through your templates and just click on your templates, and then all of this is totally editable. So you can just click on them, change the font, change the color, really do whatever you like. And then once you've happy with it, you can obviously just hit the download button and then you re-upload it to YouTube. When you create your file, make sure that your keywords that you want to rank for are actually on this image, because that is very, very important. So if for argument's sake you wanted to try and rank for how to cloak affiliate links on WordPress, which is what this one was for, when I download this, I will then rename the file, image file, how to cloak affiliate links on WordPress. Okay, so then when you upload it to YouTube, they know again that you are giving them a hint of what you want to actually rank for, and that will help. Another place where you can actually go and create is Relay That. Now, this is actually a paid software. But again, you can do YouTube thumbnails very, very easily. And we've quickly created another image for Pinterest that is talking about exactly the same thing. So you can then go and promote your YouTube video on Pinterest. Okay, so those are the two I would recommend. Obviously, Relay That is a one-off price, and Canva is free to join. So you can use either of those, and I'll put some obviously links in the description below here where you can go and check them out. Okay, we've spoken briefly about the next one, which is keywords. So what you now need to do, like I say, we've put our keywords on our image, our thumbnail image that we actually download from either of those companies that you actually can create them on. What you need to do is basically look for long tail keywords, but there are places where you can actually place those long tail keywords. We've got here, let's do this one, Traffic Secrets Book Review. So we'll click on that. So this is a review I've done of a book that I received the other day, Russell Brunson's Traffic Secrets book. And it's a fantastic book as well. So by all means, check this video out on my account and obviously go and order the book. It's totally free. You just pay for a bit of postage. Now, as you can see here, we've got tags. So the tags are in there, which is some of the tags. Traffic Secrets Book Review. I've got Traffic Secrets Book Review here in the title. I've also got it in the first line of my description, which is here. There we go. And I've also got it in some of my tags on the video as well. So when you get your tags, again, you want to look at putting the keyword in your tags. So you don't need to put it anywhere else really. You just need to have it in your description. You need to have it in your header. You have to have it on your image, thumbnail image, and also you need to put it in your tags. And make sure it's one of the first tags you put in as well, so really near the top. Okay, so that's the secret about how you can then try and rank and tell YouTube exactly what you want to rank for. But how do you actually know what is going to rank and what isn't going to rank? Now that's our last one, and I would urge you to obviously look at getting this little bit of software, and it's called TubeBuddy. What this does is basically enables you to click and search something. So I've got how to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I've typed in. Now this has brought up loads of results here, as it would do in the YouTube search. But also on the side here, because I've got my TubeBuddy links to my account, it also tells me here that it's an excellent thing that I can actually go and rank for. So I can then take this long tail keyword, which is what it is, so we're going to try and rank for that particular keyword. We can actually go and open up and do a keyword explorer and click on here and type that in, and it will explore and it will tell you what the overall score is, the score analysis, the common video tags, all sorts here. This would normally be a little bit high for me on the competition because there's 3.57 million videos in the search results. So if I create a video about this, I've got to try and rank against 3.57 million. So the chances of me actually getting near to the top of the rankings there are pretty slim. Normally every video I've been using, but obviously I wanted to create a video about how I reached my first 1,000 subscribers because I've reached it. But normally this will be a bit too high. I would then make sure that that video search is probably less than 100,000 if you can. But it was telling me, it says this keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. So hence we can do that. If you click on the weighted tab here, this actually tells you your overall score for your particular account. Okay, so and this is actually showing me fair. So it's still it's obviously a lot less, and that's because of the search results on there. But I feel that I can get in amongst the top ranked videos for this particular keyword. So hopefully we'll give it a try and see how we get on. Okay, but this will actually tell you exactly what to actually go and target and whether it's worth targeting or not, because it will then say it's poor or something like that. So that's what I've used, is the TubeBuddy to sort out everything for me and go and target the right keywords. So it's all okay if you put the keywords in the right place and you've got a good thumbnail and you've made the great video and you're posting regularly and you've done everything else. But if you're not targeting the right keywords, then your video just isn't going to get seen enough. So therefore your channel is not going to grow quick enough to actually get the 1,000 subscribers. So that's how I've gone and created my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and hopefully you can do the same. Leave me a comment below as to any other tips that you've used to create 1,000 subscribers on your account. Also, if you do follow these steps, let us know how you get on too. Okay, so I hope you found that interesting and you're going to follow the steps, and hopefully you will reach your 1,000 subscribers very, very shortly. Also, make sure you check out the other videos I've got here. And if you haven't already, and why not, please subscribe to the channel right now and obviously hit that notification bell. I can then send you all the new videos that I produce every week. Okay, that's it for this video. We will see you on the next one.